Did you know that the universe is so vast that if aliens didn't exist, we'd have to be the greatest cosmic fluke in over 2 trillion galaxies? Now let's unpack that a bit. When we talk about aliens, we're not necessarily speaking of little green creatures with saucer-like eyes. Instead, we refer to life beyond Earth, intelligent or not. It could be a microorganism thriving in the icy moons of Jupiter, or a civilization far advanced than ours, nestled in a distant galaxy. The universe is a canvas of possibilities, painted with billions of stars, each potentially hosting a planetary system. Given this sheer size and scope, the possibility of life elsewhere seems statistically probable. After all, it would be quite an ego trip to think we're the only ones enjoying the cosmic show, wouldn't it? Yet despite this likelihood and our ceaseless search for extraterrestrial life, we've yet to find concrete evidence. No definitive microbial fossils on Mars, no unambiguous signals from a distant civilization. This conundrum is what's known as the Fermi paradox. Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox poses a simple yet profound question. If there are a multitude of potential life-hosting planets out there, why haven't we detected any signs of life yet? Why is it so silent out there in the vast cosmic ocean? Is it because life is incredibly rare and we truly are a cosmic fluke? Or perhaps civilizations tend to self-destruct before they can reach out to the stars? The Fermi paradox doesn't provide an answer, but rather frames our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It's a humbling reminder of the mysteries that lie beyond our pale blue dot, waiting to be unraveled. So if the universe teems with life, where are they? It's a question that has haunted humanity's collective imagination for eons, and one that we will continue to explore in our cosmic journey. Perhaps the answer is just a star away. Science, in its quest to understand, has given us several fascinating theories about extraterrestrial life. Let's delve into some of these captivating theories. Shall we picture the zoo hypothesis, a compelling concept that suggests aliens could be consciously avoiding contact with us? Somewhat like zoo animals, we humans could be under the watchful eye of advanced civilizations, observed but not interrupted, left to live out our existence in our own little cosmic enclosure. Then we have the intriguing idea of life in extreme conditions. This theory takes us to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, Europa and Titan. These celestial bodies, despite their harsh and inhospitable environments, could be teeming with life. We're not talking about little green men, though. We're thinking microscopic organisms thriving in subglacial oceans or methane-based life forms in Titan's lakes. Imagine for a moment civilizations so advanced they are indistinguishable from natural phenomena. These hyper-advanced societies may have merged with technology or found ways to manipulate matter and energy on a grand scale. Their actions could be so far beyond our comprehension that we might mistake them for natural cosmic events. But science isn't just about what we can see or understand. It's about pushing boundaries, questioning the status quo, and constantly seeking the truth, no matter how outlandish it may seem. And that's why we also have the Fermi paradox, the Drake equation, and the Kardashev scale. All efforts to understand the probability and nature of extraterrestrial life. Remember though, these are just theories. They're not proven facts, but they're not baseless speculations either. They're well thought out possibilities, based on our current understanding of the universe and its workings. But science isn't the only field that has theories about extraterrestrial life. So as we venture further into the cosmos, let's keep our minds open to the extraordinary possibilities that await us. After all, in this vast universe of ours, anything could be possible. Pop culture paints a different, often more colorful picture of what aliens might be like. It's a world where extraterrestrials are as diverse as the imaginations that create them. Let's take a trip through the annals of pop culture and see the many faces of these beings from beyond our world. Aliens in pop culture run the gamut from the benevolent to the downright destructive. We have the likes of Eat, the lovable creature from another planet who just wants to phone home. Then there are the hyper-intelligent beings of Arrival, who share with us a language that can alter our perception of time itself. These portrayals suggest that encounters with extraterrestrial life could lead to leaps in human understanding and technology, a hopeful vision of the unknown. But then we have the darker side of the coin. Movies like War of the Worlds, and Independence Day paint a grim picture of hostile invaders, intent on world domination or even our complete annihilation. These stories feed into our primal fears of the unknown and the potential dangers that could come from the stars. These depictions, though wildly varying, have a profound impact on our collective perception of what aliens could be like. They shape our expectations and fears about what might happen if we were ever to encounter life from another world. For some, they foster a sense of hope and curiosity, a desire to reach out and make contact with the unknown. For others, they stoke fears of invasion and destruction, a need to prepare for potential threats from the cosmos. The influence of pop culture on our views of extraterrestrials is undeniable. It's a mirror that reflects our hopes and fears about the universe and our place within it. It's a canvas upon which we paint our dreams and nightmares about what lies beyond the stars. Whether friend or foe, pop culture's aliens make us wonder, what if? For some, aliens are not a matter of if, but when and where. It's fascinating to delve into the realm of personal encounters and beliefs surrounding extraterrestrial life. These experiences, often shared with a mix of fear, wonder, and conviction, are as diverse as the individuals recounting them. Let's start with the classic UFO sightings. They have been reported across the globe, from the rural heartlands of America to the bustling cities of Asia. These sightings are often accompanied by a sense of awe and uncertainty. Mystifying objects darting across the sky, lights blinking in patterns too complex for any human mind to decipher, and sometimes an eerie silence that seems to swallow up the very sound of existence. Then there are those who recount tales of alien abductions. Their stories are often chilling, filled with vivid descriptions of strange beings and bizarre procedures. The fear, the confusion, the sense of being utterly out of one's depth, these are common threads that weave through these narratives. Yet, despite the terror, there's also an underlying fascination, a chance to peek into a world far beyond our comprehension. And of course, we have the belief in ancient astronauts. This idea posits that our ancestors were visited or even aided by extraterrestrial beings. Proponents point to ancient structures, art, and texts that seem to hint at otherworldly influences. Was the Great Pyramid of Giza, with its astronomical precision, really built by human hands alone? Could the Nazca Lines be ancient messages or landing strips for alien spacecraft? These questions continue to intrigue and baffle us. Every individual belief or experience adds a unique piece to the grand puzzle of extraterrestrial life. They push the boundaries of our understanding, challenge our preconceived notions, and stoke the flames of our curiosity. These personal experiences, as varied as they are, add another layer to our understanding of what alien life might be. As our technology advances, so does our ability to search for extraterrestrial life. This isn't just a statement, it's a testament to the unyielding human spirit, the insatiable curiosity that propels us into the unknown. We've come a long way from gazing at the stars in wonder to harnessing the power of technology in our quest for answers. Today, we use satellites, probes, and radio signals to probe the depths of space, searching for signs of life beyond our blue planet. Let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is the Hubble Space Telescope. Launched a few decades ago, it has provided us with unprecedented views of the cosmos, and its successor, the James Webb Space Telescope, promises to take us even further. Then there are our probes, brave little explorers venturing where no human has ever been. Think of the Voyager spacecrafts still sending back data after all these years, or the Mars rovers diligently studying the red planet. And let's not forget our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. Using radio signals, we're listening for broadcasts from distant civilizations, hoping to pick up a cosmic phone call. But what's next? The future holds exciting possibilities. We're planning to return to the moon and even set foot on Mars. Telescopes are becoming more powerful, capable of peering into the farthest corners of the universe. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll send probes to distant stars or even develop technology to travel there ourselves. It's an exciting time to be alive, and everyone can be part of this cosmic journey. From following space news and research to supporting the organizations that make these missions possible, there's a role for all of us. As we continue our cosmic journey, who knows what mysteries will unravel? The truth, as they say,
He's out there